Yesterday, while interviewing Youngstown City Schools CEO Chris Mohip on his need for 6 more high school math teachers, he told me in general terms about a situation that's been going on for a while.
There's a cohort of students here in this district that did not get a math teacher for 4 full years prior to my arrival.
After hearing what Chris Mohip had to say, I wondered what school was this and how did this happen? 4 years is a long time. So today I went back to Mohip with my questions. 27 investigates the Youngstown City School students without math teachers. It was Youngstown's East High School that CEO Chris Mohip was referring to. And today, when talking about the situation at East and the lack of quality math instruction, he referred specifically to this year's senior class.
Our current seniors, our class of 2018 seniors, there was a period of 4 years where there was constant upheaval in our math department. So there was a significant amount of time that a number of these students did not have a highly qualified math teacher in front of them.
Mohip first learned of the math teacher situation at East about 6 months into the job.
We were kind of digging into the math and talking about the teachers, and someone just kind of mentioned it. And I just thought that was kind of an odd statement, so we dug into that.
And when he found out it was true, was he surprised?
Extremely, extremely. I hadn't heard of something like this ever happening before.
One way to quantify how students here at East High School have done without a qualified math teacher is to look at test scores, and the Youngstown City Schools has results for the last 2 years. Those results are not good. In 2016, 0.8%, 1 or 2 East students passed the Algebra 1 standardized test, while 3.5%, 5 to 10 students passed the geometry test. In 2017, 8 of 299 students passed the Algebra 1 test, while only 1 of 215 students passed geometry. How did this happen, and who's to blame?
I don't know. I don't know. I think there's a number of reasons. People take leaves, people go out for other jobs. It's almost pointless to blame. At this point, we just need to go out and fix. There's a lot of blame that could be passed over the years of things that have happened here and poor decision making that has happened, but it's to no one's benefit to start placing blame on the past.
Now, after all that, Chris Mohip could not say definitely that there will be a qualified math teacher at East High School when it starts this year. He doesn't have anyone right now, but he's aggressively looking to find one.